Thanks for stopping by for another video, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Stephany, and for today's video, I am flipping through Planything's brand new Botanical Fusion sticker book. It does release on January 4th. I will have all of the times listed down in the description box below, along with my affiliate links, so you guys can save some money on your purchase. So I want to flip through it really quick, and then I also want to do a plan with me in my new Hemlock and Oak weekly planner. So let's go ahead and put this off to the side so we can flip through it and get started on that. And oh my gosh, look at this. She is such a big sticker. Oh my gosh, I am already getting so many ideas for this. I think it's going to be way too big for my planner, but definitely like on a bigger planner or on a notes page. I don't know. The possibilities are endless, but look at how beautiful the color scheme and the florals are. I really love that. So we do get 2 pages of those, and then we also get her in a smaller version, which is going to be perfect for this type of planner. So we do get the florals and then some bugs here, along with like these little hearts, and of course 2 pages of that. Then we're going to get the matching functional stickers, which are your boxes and your bullet points, and I believe we get 2 of those as well. Oh my gosh, and we even get circles. Okay, that's pretty cool. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful she is. Okay, these colors are really pretty. She is just super fabulous, and oh my gosh, look at all of these women here on this page. I really love this. The whole vibe of this sticker book, I can already tell, is going to be amazing. So here we go with the circles, and then here we're going to have plants, and oh my gosh, look at that. There is even a guy in these stickers, which is so rare, right? In like the planner community. I really love that. Okay, this is going to be a must-have sticker book because it is going to be amazing for the spring and those summer spreads, because look at these plants. They are looking fabulous. And then look at how big she is. I love the fact that the women are like really big. I mean, like I said, I am already getting so many ideas for these bigger stickers. So here we have the functional, and I just love that we get those matching boxes and shapes for those. And oh my gosh, look at this one. I love it. I love the florals. I love the color scheme. The purples are really pretty. They pop really nicely. And look at these bouquets. I love them. Here we're going to get the circles. And then, oh my gosh, we also get some quotes. I love that they're black, and I love the script as well. So 2 of these, and then we get this other page as well. Look at how pretty the script is. And then we're gonna get another page of that one. Okay, so yeah, this is definitely a must-have. So don't forget to use code Stephany10 so you guys can save on your purchase. So let's go ahead and bring in my planner. That way we can start planning the very first week of January. And so I think the one that like caught my eye right away because of the beautiful colors is gonna be like these front pages. Like I said, she is gonna be way too big for this planner, but of course I can use this page. So I'm actually going to flip to the functional part of it, because I feel like in this planner I am going to use boxes. And actually also stay tuned for the next plan with me, which is going to be in my daily Go Get a Girl planner. That way you guys can see how I use this sticker book in different layouts, because like I said, here I will use the boxes, but in my Go Get a Girl planner I tend to only use the decorative stickers and not really boxes. So I just want to showcase how I would use them in different planners. So make sure that you guys come back. So I think that I'm gonna start off by I'm gonna grab this other color. I want it to be more on the green side. So I'm going to use these two. And don't forget that we also have circles. I really love that. And then as far as like these timestamps, I am not really going to use them, so I don't mind if I cover them up. Because this layout is pretty similar to the Hobonichi Cousin, which I was using at one point, and I think I want to say maybe like 2 years ago, and even then I never really used the timestamps. I just like this layout because it's vertical, and I like that it has lines, and I just love that I'm able to list everything for the day. So that is why I love this layout, not so much for the timestamps. And let's go back over here. So let's see. So it's always a bit nerve-wracking when you're doing like your first plan with me. I mean, at least I feel like that. It is just so weird to start a brand new planner. Like, you don't want to mess it up, sort of, in a way, right? And so, yeah, let's just see how it goes. I have been eyeing this planner for quite some time, so I am just really happy to finally be trying it out. And then I am also going to try to bring in some of Planything's grid washi. I just feel like the colors really match, and then even my Zig Clean color dot as well. So don't forget to pick up some of her washi tape because I am seriously obsessed with her grid washi. Okay, so there is that. And then let's go over here because, yeah, I am going to want to use a quote. So actually, let's look at that now. So I am looking for something that's more on the horizontal side than the vertical, so it can be here. Work hard, dream big. Oh, I like that. That's actually perfect for the first week of a brand new year. So I hope you guys had an amazing New Year's. Yeah, we didn't really do much. We went to my family's house and then my husband's family's house, so we did that. But we came home pretty early just because the kids are still not feeling 100%, and so we just didn't want to risk them getting any more sick. But we did go out just a little bit. Okay, so then I am thinking that I'm gonna just simply place it right over here. I might add something right there. Let's see which way this girl is facing. Oh, actually she's facing straight forward. I thought that she was going to be either facing either to the left or to the right. So that actually ends up working out. I wonder if I just want to maybe place another one of these ones, maybe going that way. I think that would be pretty, and maybe she could even be like here, because I am going to use this planner to just kind of have a weekly overview of my week, because my daily planner does not have a weekly view, which I am totally okay with because it makes my planner not as bulky. So I really love that. So I just thought that I would add this weekly planner into my lineup. So it's just gonna be a quick little reference. And then I'm really going to map out my day in my daily planner. Okay, let's see. This is going to be tricky because, of course, I can't take off the page. But I think that we did it. Okay, so I do want to go back to her because she is just gorgeous. So let's go ahead and grab her. These stickers are so beautiful. Okay, so yeah, definitely want to place her, yeah, right over here. Oh yeah, that looks amazing. Oh my gosh, it's looking so pretty. And actually, before I add any more stickers, I do want to add these script stickers. That way the box could look completed, because I just feel that it looks a little bit naked if I don't. Okay, so there we go. I really love that. And then I do want to go in with my Zig Clean Color Dot and add just some bullet points here. There's technically already like a little box here. I don't know if you can tell, it's a little bit faint, but it's definitely there. So I did skip one. We'll see how that works. So I definitely want to add those there. And then I did notice that there's a little section up here, and I'm thinking that maybe I could add the weather up there. I think that would be a great idea. But that's a nice little space right there. Okay, so now let's go back to the boxes. And I think that I'm gonna stick with this pink and like green theme. And then maybe this one could go over here. Let's see, I think I put this one right over there. So this one's gonna go right there. And then this one, there's a little smudge here. I don't know where it came from, but I do want to cover it up. So maybe even on this side, we can add some of these circles. Yeah, I think I'm gonna add it over here. So again, just kind of trying to cover up those times. And then let's go back over here for a pink circle. And actually I wanted the bigger circle, and it's that lighter pink color. I think we're just gonna make it work, unless I want to use this other one. No, I think I'm just gonna have to make it work. I want the bigger one. Okay, so now what should I do? I think that's gonna look too off. Okay, let's rethink this. So we do have this one. Okay, I think I'm just gonna have to use this, which maybe could go right over here. And then this one could simply go up here as well. Okay, yeah, I like that much better. I didn't want to bring in another color into the mix, so I think that looks amazing. And as far as this washi tape, now I don't even know if I want to use it, because I think it looks fabulous already. But I don't know, let's see what else we can do now on this side. But actually, before we continue, let's just go ahead and add our headers. So today I just feel like these script stickers complete these boxes. For whatever reason, I always say that it looks a little bit naked without any headers. Doesn't that just look much better? I definitely think so. So now let's go over here. What other decorations can we do? Because look at these beautiful like butterflies. Okay, I am eyeing this one because I am thinking that I kind of want to put it over here. I think that would actually be really pretty. Yeah, so maybe right there. And then let's see. Okay, so we do have these bigger like flowers, because these are going to be a little bit smaller. So yeah, let's maybe try to create a little cluster. Is this where I want to maybe add the green washi tape? I think that would be fun. Let's kind of try it out. So maybe we can Did I want to go all the way to the bottom? Because it technically, the grid ends right there. And then we get this little spot. But I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, never mind. I think I'm going to go all the way to the bottom. Okay, perfect. So now I can add these ones. So maybe that one could go here. And then this little area down here, right now I'm decorating it, but it could definitely be used to do some like habit tracking or just keeping track of just anything really. Like sleep trackers I've seen, or like water intake as well. I track that in my daily planner, so I don't want to track it here. But yeah, this little space here could be used for technically anything because it does end here at 10 o'clock. So if you want to keep that going, you definitely could. But I think I'm going to use it mostly for decorating. And I think that I want to go back over here. And let's see. Go with the flow. Have a beautiful day. I think I'm going to use this one. I just love that it's more vertical than all of the other ones. And I think it'll just fit really nicely right over here. So let's see. Maybe down here. Okay, so yeah, that looks amazing. So now I want to go back to the smaller stickers, just like with the butterflies, and maybe add this one. So I added the butterfly over here because it had more green, but this one has more pink. So I think that I want to add it maybe like, or maybe over here. Yeah, let's add it over here instead. Maybe we can add something else right there. Let's go with this one. And this one could definitely go like right there. It is looking so pretty. And then let's see. I'm really loving like these single ones. I was gonna add another one over here, but I think I like it just with that one. Let's go over here and see what else we can add. Maybe we can do like a little bouquet like we added over here on the left hand side. Okay, so as far as this one, maybe this one can simply go like right there. Okay, so yeah, I think this looks amazing. Oh my gosh, I really, really love it. Yeah, I don't think that I want to add anything else. Do I? I don't know. I really think that it looks amazing. I am really speechless. These stickers are so beautiful. And I don't want to take away from that by adding too much. So I think this looks amazing. I love the way that it turned out. I think it looks so pretty. So yeah, make sure that you guys check out Planything Botanical Fusion sticker book, which releases on January 4th. Don't forget to check out my affiliate link, which everything is going to be listed down in the description box below, so you guys can check it out and save some money on your order. But for now, I am in love with the way that this turned out. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.